Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Thank you so much for being here. We love you guys so much. So, we're gonna do things a little different, as has been the theme of this weekend. Abhigna and I are gonna be the MCs and the hosts for the evening. This is our chance to say thank you to every single one of you for being here and making this weekend absolutely incredible. So, I want to start off by saying how much I love Abhigna. Abhigna always asks me probably every day or every other day before we go to bed, she's like, all right, before you go to sleep, tell me the top 10 things you love about me. I want to say one thing that I don't think I've ever told her. I think one of the biggest reasons I love you so much is you always pick me up when I'm down. And you're always by my side in my lowest points and my highest points. And I don't know how I would live without you. The last 3 years have been absolutely incredible. And I'm so thankful that you're in my life. Thank you so much.
By now I'd be gone, but you found me, you found me. I know now the love that's around me. పేదాల్లో ఒక చిన్ని ప్రశ్నే ఉంది, నీకై క్షణాల్లో పడిపోని మనసే ఏది? ఆ భ్రమే నిన్ను చెయ్యడానికే తన ఆస్తి మొత్తాన్నే ఖర్చు పెట్టుంటాడే. అందాల నీ కంటి కాటుకతో రాసే ఉంటాడే నా నుదుటి రాతలనే. కుంకుమల నువ్వే చేరగా ప్రియా, కోటి వర్ణాలయ్యా నేను ఇలాగ వేకువల నువ్వే చూడగా ప్రతి ఋతువున